Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for the headphones Skullcandy Rail. Before we're starting, I wanna say that I customize gestures, because I think it's much better than what it have by default. So for the left one earbud on the single press, I'm just change it for activate assistant. For the right one tap, I leave it, so I have pause and play and pause. For double press, for the left one I have volume down, for the right one I have volume up. For a triple press I have for the left one previous track and for the right one next track. And for 1 second hold I have to make a photo. So let's test it. Oh, yeah, let's start with assistant. I can press one time on my left earbud and I will call my assistant. And as you can see, it's working. So let's go. If I press one time on my right earbud, I will pause and play the song. So I press one time and I pause it and I press again and I play it. If I press two times on my left earbud, I will increase the volume. And again. Here we go. If I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will lower the volume. And again. Here we go. If I press 3 times on my right earbud, I will play next song. If I press 3 times on my left earbud, I will play previous song. And if let's go to the camera. If I hold 1 second, I will make a photo. Okay, maybe again. Here we go. And as you can see, I make a photo. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.